Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a credit approval letter. What is a credit approval letter? A credit approval letter is a formal document issued by a financial institution, lender, or creditor to notify an individual or business that their application for credit, such as a loan or credit card, has been reviewed and approved. This letter typically outlines the terms and conditions of the approved credit, including the approved credit limit, interest rate, repayment schedule, and any other relevant terms. It serves as an official confirmation of the applicant's eligibility to access the specified credit facility. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a credit approval letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, write your full name. And then, write your occupation in the company or organization. And write also the name of your organization or company or institution. In this case, the letter is written by a credit manager from ABC Finance Services. Under it, write the address of the company or organization. Don't forget to mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. After that, you can write the date of the letter. Yes, you can use the format of month, date, and year. For the next, write the information about the recipient of the letter. You must write their full name. Under it, write the recipient's home address. When you do it, don't forget to include the home number, street name, city, state, and zip code as well. After completing the sender's and recipient's details, now you can open the letter with a salutation. Simply write, "Dear," followed by the name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, it is about introduction. It means, you have to tell the reason why you are writing this letter. Yes, give a confirmation of credit approval and appreciation for the applicant's interest. For example, the writer here announced, "We are pleased to inform you that your application for credit with ABC Finance Services has been approved. Congratulations!" And show your gratitude for the recipient for choosing you or your company as their financial service. You can write something like, "We appreciate your interest in our services." This is to maintain good relationship with customers. And write also your excitement to have financial relationship with the recipient. For example as, "We look forward to establishing a successful financial relationship with you." In the second paragraph, this is where you give all credit approval details required. The key information regarding the approved credit are such as account number 987-654-321, approved credit limit $5,000, terms net 30. You can add more details based on your company's policies. And in the third paragraph, you can talk about the credit agreement. Of course, you must attach the credit agreement along with this credit approval letter. Therefore, you need to mention it. In this case, you need to request the recipient to review the enclosed credit agreement for terms and conditions. The recipient has right to agree or disagree. And here, you can write something like, "Please review the enclosed credit agreement, which outlines the terms and conditions of our credit arrangement. They are including payment terms, interest rates, if applicable, and other relevant details." Sure, you can mention more, based on the policies. Besides that, you need to give a reminder for the recipient to understand. And ask if the recipient agree to the terms before proceeding. You can simply write, "Ensure that you fully understand and agree to these terms before proceeding." In the fourth paragraph, this is where you talk about activation instructions. In this case, you are required to give instructions for activating the credit account, by signing and returning the enclosed credit agreement. If you don't know what to write, you may copy this. To activate your credit account, please sign the enclosed credit agreement, and return it to us by January 15, 2024. Yes, mentioning the date here is a must, so the recipient knows if the activation expired or not. Not only that, you need to mention also the account processing upon receipt of the signed agreement. You can simply write, "Once we receive the signed agreement, we will process your account. And we will provide you with the necessary information to begin making purchases on credit." Your job here is to make sure that the recipient understands the need of understanding the agreement and how to activate it. In the 5th paragraph, you can write about commitment to service. Convince the recipient that your company has assurance of excellent service and support throughout the financial relationship. Tell all the good things about your service to convince the recipient to sign the agreement. And you can write, "We are committed to providing you with excellent service and support throughout our financial relationship." And now, you can give contact information for customer service. The recipient here may need to ask some questions related to the credit and so on. Therefore, you can give phone number or email address of the customer service team. And this is the example. If you have any questions or require further assistance, please do not hesitate to contact our customer service team at 555-789-0123. For the last paragraph, give appreciation for the recipient. Here, you can express your gratitude for choosing your company as the recipient's financial partner. Simply, you can write something like, "Thank you for choosing ABC Finance Services as your trusted financial partner. Since the customer trusted you, you should not let them down." And show your excitement to build good relationship with the recipient in the field of finance. You may write, "We appreciate the opportunity to work with you. And we are excited about the prospects of our collaboration." And once again, give a congratulatory message for credit approval. Write also an anticipation of a successful collaboration. This is the example. Once again, congratulations on your credit approval. And we look forward to serving your financial needs. And finally, you can close the letter with "Sincerely." Add your signature. And write your full name, your occupation in the company, and the name of your company. So, that's how you write a credit approval letter step by step. Feel free to use this format as a guide when creating your own credit approval letters, adapting it to your specific business and applicant details as needed. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.